In a stunning legal blow to Donald Trump's economic agenda, a U.S. trade court has just ruled that his so-called Liberation Day tariffs were unconstitutional. Yep, the judges say Trump went too far, and they're pulling the plug on one of his boldest moves yet. On April 2nd, Trump imposed sweeping new tariffs targeting imports from China, Mexico, and Canada, claiming it was part of a crackdown on fentanyl and drug trafficking.
Those drugs will stop so damn fast that your head will spin. And I'm not playing games. I'm doing the same thing to China. If they want to sell Mexico fentanyl at levels that it's going crazy right now. But you sell fentanyl into the United States through Mexico, we're putting a 25% or so tariff on until such time as you stop doing it.
But this week, a three-judge panel said not so fast. The court found Trump's actions unlawful and said they exceeded any authority granted by Congress. In a rare move, the court didn't just pause the tariffs, they permanently blocked them nationwide, stating there's no genuine dispute the president overstepped. At the heart of the ruling is a 1977 law, the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA. Trump tried to use it to justify taxing foreign goods, but the court said those powers only apply to specific national emergencies, not broad trade policies. Arizona Attorney General Chris Mays, one of the plaintiffs, called it a victory for families and small businesses. And the court agreed. Congress, not the president, has the exclusive power to impose taxes and tariffs. That's in the Constitution. The Trump camp is furious. White House spokesperson Kush Desai slammed the decision, arguing it's not up to unelected judges to define a national emergency. They insist these tariffs were necessary to fight back against unfair trade practices and protect American jobs. But the judges weren't buying it. They said slapping random tariffs as pressure tactics doesn't meet the legal definition of dealing with an emergency. It's just bad law. This ruling doesn't just block one policy, it could derail a key pillar of Trump's trade strategy. And here's the kicker. This court's decision can't go straight to the Supreme Court. First, it has to pass through the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, a court where Trump never appointed a single judge. That makes an emergency Supreme Court intervention unlikely. In other words, this legal loss might stick. The courts have spoken. Trump's unilateral tariffs have been ruled illegal, and the administration's next steps could shape the future of U.S. trade. Will this decision hold, or will Trump's legal team find a way to revive his plan? Drop a comment below with your take, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest stories shaping America's future. If you want to support the channel and get something useful in return, check out the affiliate links in the description. Every click helps us keep bringing you stories that matter.